Kazan is a modern city with a 1,000-year history. There are a lot of sights to see, take pictures and have a wonderful time. Kazan is rich in parks and square. Today we want to present to your attention the square named after Fikrat Tabeyev along Dekabristov Street.
The square near the building of Tatmedia bears the name of a statesman in the year of 1960 to 1979, Fikrat Tabeyev. Under his leadership were founded such large industrial centers of Tatarstan as Nizhnekamsk Neftekhim, Kamaz, Kazan-Orgsynthez. In these years, Tatarstan's Tatneft company has become the largest producer of oil. On June 12, 2018, on the Day of Russia, Tatarstan President Rustam Minnekhanov opened an updated festival boulevards on Dekabristov Street.
Improvement of a pedestrian promenade along the Dekabristov Street will make the movement of tens of thousands of Kazan citizens and guests more comfortable. It is important that the citizens will use the new recreational area after the championship. The improvement covers the territory from the exit of the metro station, Kozhye Sloboda, and along the building of the Bank of Kazan, the National Cave, and the building Tatmedia, as well as the Guli area along Sibgat-Hakim Street.
Bank of Kazan is a universal regional commercial bank, founded in 1990, and is the oldest financial institution of the capital.
In 2018, the State Cave Service of the Republic of Tatarstan will celebrate its 100th anniversary. The Cave Fund of the Republic of Tatarstan includes 4 million units of storage in the volume. We occupy the fourth place in the Russian Federation. Even visually, it is difficult to imagine this number of documents.
Tatmedia is the largest regional media company in the Republic of Tatarstan. Currently, Tatmedia includes 70 branches. These are editorial offices of Republican, City and District print media, TV and radio company, information agency Tatar-Info, as well as the largest printing and publishing complex Edel Press in the Volga region. Newspapers of Tatmedia are published in Tatar, Russian, Chuvash and Udmurt languages.
Once noisy, polluted and unlit area today has become a single comfortable space for walking. The two main ideas that make up the concept of renewal are street navigation and the trajectory of the ball. Navigation is a visual image of the street, a bright, dynamic environment in which both residents and tourists can navigate.
The center of this zone was a composition of 32 balls with the names of the country's participants of FIFA, into one central ball, symbolizing the Commonwealth of the countries of this cup. On the square near Tatmedia, there is a sculpture composition, boys playing street football.
For the smooth transit of Kazan citizens and guests of the city, the existing pedestrian promenade was expanded and a bicycle road was added. Improvement of the pedestrian zone allowed to create a barrier-free, comfortable space with replaceable visual content.
The existing structure of the square next to the Tatmedia building once divided Barabote Street into two parts. The architects of the project protected it from the road with green hills. This allowed to reduce the level of noise and pollution from the city highway. So it has become a pedestrian promenade, providing access to large flows of visitors to the center of the family Kazan.